Turn me away from here yesterday. We'll make it a great day. Won't we anyway, whatever, realize we are finally free. Hey! Welcome to Pair Me! Okay. Hi! We're about to drive to Canada for just a little mini weekend road trip, but we just wanted to make a vlog right before we did. So, people told us that they like our vlogs. Thank you for telling us that. Thank you. We love you. You're a star! Okay. We just got done filming one of our newest videos, music videos. Yes. Not gonna say what it is, but it'll be up like right when we put this up. I don't know. We haven't really decided when we'll put it up. Probably when we get home or something. Who knows? We had a few questions on our last vlog. One was, where did we come up with the idea of Pair Me? And we came up with it. It's kind of confusing, but you know how there's like Apple, like the computer, and then we wanted something like a fruit like that, and there's like iPod, stuff like that, you know? So we said Pair Me, you know, like the fruit, and then like an I and me. Yeah. So, and also, because tell them the other reason, kind of, or does it, I don't really get that. Nah. We have some more ideas for future vlogs. Yeah, this is just kind of like a simple one, just to catch you up, because we haven't done one in a while. Busy with school and stuff. We just want to say thanks for subscribing. Thanks. And commenting and rating. Wait, how did you say? Rating.
It's fully goofy, boys.
So yeah, we have to get driving to Canada. Yeah, okay, I think we should go now. Okay, peace, bitch. Love you. Goddamn, I feel so unsafe. And I want you so much. I just can't resist you. I'm not saying I miss you. I feel so alright. No, that's not our yard. I gotta get through this.